Check this out, guys. We have a 1992 Cadillac Coupe DeVille triple white. This thing's a two-owner gem that's been stored its entire life. It is in immaculate condition, as you can see. It honestly looks better in person than probably on the camera. That's how minty this thing is. It has 17,000 original miles on it. It has been serviced. It is ready to go. All it needs is a new owner. And you're gonna bring out the inner boss hog in you. So we'll jump right in. This paint has been completely paint corrected, buffed out, and ceramic coated. So this thing is pretty much flawless. I never call a car perfect, but I walked around this thing a few times and it is minty. Aside from a teeny tiny little paint chip on the body side molding right here, that's about it. The white vinyl top is beautiful. This thing has been bleached and cleaned and protected with a coating on it. So there's not even a smudge anywhere. There's no tears or stains or rips, anything like that. All the gold emblems and the stainless steel trim along the windows and the sides of the cars and the fenders and the rear wheel wells. It is immaculate, still shines like new. The stainless steel bumpers in the front and rear, these are gorgeous as well. There's no pitting or corrosion or erosion, anything like that on the gold emblems. The Cadillac, the fuel port injected emblems, they're immaculate. This also has red pinstriping along the whole entire sides of the car and the rear trunk. It's really nice. It adds a little pop to it. The wheels are immaculate, guys. These are a 16-inch. They're the original Cadillac wheels. There's no, again, no pitting, corrosion, delamination, anything like that. They're still wrapped in the original white wall tires. So those are original to this car. Very nostalgic. This thing is just about as old as I am, and I can say that it's aged better than me, to be honest. This was also equipped with the solar green soft ray tinted windows. Even the windshield has that solar green tint to it. It looks very nice. Look at the front end on it, absolutely gorgeous. The stainless steel grille, absolutely beautiful. All the lenses crystal clear. There's no chipping. There's not even a single rock chip on the front that I found. The original front license plate bracket is there, and that beautiful gold Cadillac emblem right on the front. I wish they still made them like this, because this thing is a cruiser. Let's take a look inside though. We're sitting inside the interior. This is probably the most comfortable car. Even more comfortable than the Bentley that we have inside here. I love these seats. They are so cushiony. The leather is fantastic. This white leather still shines bright white. It's not all dirty and stained. The leather is not cracked. It's not dry. It's still soft. Like I said, this thing is very close to new. It was very well kept and stored properly, because even the inside, absolutely mint. Love the burgundy dash and carpeting in here. Just kind of breaks up the triple white, but man, it goes so good together with the wood trim. These early 90s Cadillacs had it all. Fully electronic interior with the electronic dash on it. You just don't find them like this, guys. It's mint. Everything works. All the electronic seats, the power windows, the power mirrors, the power locks. The radio works. We have an upgraded Kenwood device in here with Bluetooth. We do have the original radio that's in the trunk, comes with it. All the buttons on the dash work. All the lights are working. Has a tilt steering wheel on it as well. Even all the lights in the interior, dome lights, those are working as well. It has the electrochromatic tinted rear view mirrors, so this darkens and dims from daytime to nighttime, and if there's someone with their lights on behind you, so that is in working shape as well. This thing's just a beauty. Still smells clean in here. The headliner is nice and new looking. It's not sagging at all. So very nice condition Cadillac on the inside too. Probably my favorite feature on this car, you got the gold keys. You flip to the side the Cadillac badging. You can pop the trunk. Like I was saying, guys, we have the original radio that comes with. There's also some Cadillac goodies, spare parts. There's a nice Cadillac mat. This trunk is massive. You can fit whatever you want in here. And it's carpeted. Still smells like new in here. Still looks like new. We have the original owner's handbook still in the Cadillac baggie from the dealer. I also have a nice folder filled with service records, just proving that this thing has been well kept. It has a Illinois inspection report and certificate. It passed with flying colors, of course, and the original dealer owner's purchase back from 1992. So it's all here. It's not missing a thing. You will thoroughly enjoy this car. So we're gonna pop the hood and I'm proving to you just how minty this Cadillac is. This is one of those cars that you can only keep this clean. You can't make it this clean once it's dirty. And take a look at this thing. Just like off the showroom floor, it is spectacular in here. We have the 4.9 liter V8 engine, 200 whopping horsepower, but like I said, you're not looking to win races in this. This is a nice Sunday driver that you're gonna enjoy a long cruise in. We have the 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, and everything's been serviced and well kept. Take a look at it. I just can't, it speaks for itself. I don't know what to say, really. The battery has been replaced, so that's nice and new. I believe there's a battery tender that's hooked up to that as well. All the tags still, look at this, on the windshield wiper fluid reservoir, the original dealer tags there. All the stickers look nice and new. Even the mat underneath, that thing is in excellent condition. So this thing has been very nicely kept. It is ready to go. So we are going to take this thing for a nice little cruise, just show you everything works. Drives like a brand spanking new car, guys. Drives nice and straight on the road. There's no weird noises, no shakes, nothing like that. Man, this thing's comfortable. It's like floating on a cloud. The electronic dash is working. The radio is working as well. Again, that thing is hooked up for Bluetooth. You can hook up your phone straight to it. AM, FM radio, CD player. There is a 6-disc CD changer in the trunk as well for it. The windows work. They're rolling up and down. The mirrors work as well. The seat adjusters work. They're right on the door panel here. And man, I cannot get enough of these seats. They do not make them like they used to. This thing is so comfortable. Sit back and enjoy the cruise. Now, when this car was brought to me, I could not pass it up, guys. Like I was telling you in previous videos, myself and Jay, we both handpick these cars. We get offered a lot of vehicles. Not all of them make the cuts. We're pretty picky on what we bring in, but this one I was very proud to bring in. Again, two owner vehicle, 17,000 original miles, well serviced. It is a gem. Take a look at the undercarriage on the website. This is probably one of the cleanest cars in our showroom. And if you guys are interested in purchasing it, you can see it at volocars.com. There, if you click the Buy It Now button, you'll secure a deposit on this absolutely gorgeous Cadillac. Secure it for yourself. We can set up low monthly financing plans. Again, finance this thing. It's super easy. We can also get it shipped right to your driveway. That's just as easy. Check it out at volocars.com. Or you can call us, ask for me, Caleb. I'd be more than happy to go over financing options with you. We can also get you set up with shipping that way as well. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you on the next one.